Can Elon Musk and Mark Cuban be the two individuals that can turn Dogecoin into a cryptocurrency that is supported all around the world? What's up, guys? My name is Andrew and welcome to Broke Man Finance. In today's video, I'm discussing if Doge is still a good buy right now around 30 cents and why I may be possibly adding more to my portfolio. In addition, I'm going to talk about several recent news that may help drive the price of Doge up even higher. And lastly, clear up some rumors if Amazon is going to start accepting Dogecoin as payment. Now, if you're new to the whole Dogecoin frenzy, I'm going to take 20 quick seconds and try to catch you up. Back in 2013, it was developed by these two guys pretty much as a joke. Since then, two people, mostly Mark Cuban and Elon Musk, have tweeted about it and talked about it and really put the cryptocurrency in the national and international spotlight, and has helped driven it to heights that we never expected this cryptocurrency would see. Now, for me personally, I bought into Dogecoin back in January and was trading less than 5 cents. About that time, Elon Musk started tweeting about it. It started increasing a little bit. And I was like, you know what? I'll leave my money in there. I'll make 10 to 20%. I'll get out and I'll move on. Didn't throw a big initial investment into the currency itself. Then things started to change drastically. Elon Musk started tweeting more and more about it. Mark Cuban jumped in. And next thing you know, everyone and their brother seems to be talking about Dogecoin. The once joke-based currency now has a chance to turn to a legitimate currency and really change the way we look at currencies or cryptocurrencies in general. I mean, we're talking about a cryptocurrency that in a 1 year period has seen over 11,000% increase. Now, let's be honest with ourselves. Every person who has invested or is currently invested in Dogecoin wants Dogecoin to be the next Bitcoin. But the reality is it probably will not be that successful. However, I do like the odds of Dogecoin increasing even more as the year goes on and overall the next 5 years. And here's why. First off, Elon Musk. We all know he's tweeted about this, it seems almost every other day here recently, and it's helped surge this cryptocurrency to heights that we would never ever dreamed it was possible in the early beginning. According to an article in Reuters, Elon Musk stated that he hasn't and doesn't have any future plans to sell any of his Doge holdings, which is a positive sign to current Doge investors that he believes in this in the long term and it has more potential to increase in value and keep growing in demand. Then earlier this month, Musk stated that Tesla would no longer be accepting Bitcoin due to climate concerns, adding fuel to the speculation that Doge could gain even more stability due to his tweets about it, possibly saying that Tesla was on to start taking Doge instead of Bitcoin, although this is just pure speculation. But Elon Musk isn't the only big name person talking about this cryptocurrency. Mark Cuban has talked about it and has invested in it as well. Now, Mark Cuban is the current owner of the Dallas Mavericks, an NBA team, and also a fan favorite on the investor show called Shark Tank. Back in April, Mark Cuban announced that the Dallas Mavericks would start accepting Dogecoin as payment, and also noted in a tweet that recent sales had increased over 550% the previous month involving Dogecoin. In a recent tweet by Mark Cuban, he stated this, and I quote, "Because Doge is the one coin that people actually use for transactions, we take many others via BitPay. But people spend their Doge, and that means more businesses will start taking it. The greatest inhibitor to its growth is that you can't spend the Doge you buy on Robinhood." This was a tweet back on April 26th. But even Elon Musk and Mark Cuban aren't the only ones tweeting about Dogecoin. Major food companies like Slim Jim and Snickers have both had their own respective tweets about Dogecoin, adding fuel to the popularity and the social media environment that keeps highlighting this cryptocurrency and keeping it in the public's attention. Currently, over 1,300 companies currently accept Dogecoin as payment, although I will note most of those are crypto-based transaction companies that you see a lot online that buys and sells Dogecoin as well as other cryptocurrencies. But the popularity doesn't stop there. Xfinity Series driver Stefan Persons drove the number 99 car at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway a few weeks ago with Dogecoin painted completely all over the hood of the car. To me, another example that cryptocurrency doesn't appear to be disappearing from the public attention anytime soon. Even some millennials have started referring to as Bitcoin as boomer coin since Dogecoin is more popular with millennials on all these investing sites, adding the volume or the trading volume that we see with it each and every day. According to digitalcoinprice.com, they predict the price of Doge could increase to around $2 by 2028. Yes, I know that's only roughly a $1.50 increase in a 7-year span. And it should go without saying, this is a very volatile cryptocurrency that could either surge or completely crash just based off one person's tweet that has enough followers or has enough attention to this particular currency. However, I look at it this way. I 100% believe cryptocurrency in general is here to stay in some capacity. Now, I'm not saying that Dogecoin is going to replace Bitcoin or even challenge Bitcoin and be the number 2 cryptocurrency. I am saying that although it started off as a joke currency, the demand for it, the use for it has grown with obviously attention that it gets from Elon Musk and Mark Cuban and these other businesses. It is here to stay in some capacity. How successful it will be past what we're seeing it now, I have no idea, but I do believe that there is a use for it as we've seen. Now, I do agree with Mark Cuban on this thing. If they were to choose between buying a lottery ticket and Dogecoin, I would buy Dogecoin because it is proven to have better success than buying a lottery ticket. So for me, guys, I'm willing to roll the dice a little more, throw a couple more dollars into this cryptocurrency and see what happens. I think buying under 30 cents a share, if you're willing to waste a couple dollars, this is one that you could throw a couple dollars into and could easily hit that 60 cents mark or even a dollar mark just based off a couple more tweets or another big name business saying, hey, we're willing to accept Dogecoin as payment, kind of giving a little more validity or credibility to the cryptocurrency world. But here's my warning. Please, if you don't listen to anything on this video, please do not take all of your life savings and invest it into this cryptocurrency. I know there have been reports of people becoming millionaires because they threw a lot of money into it in the early on stages of it. But as always, consult with a financial advisor before you start throwing a lot of money into the stock market, and especially cryptocurrency. I think 99.9% of all financial advisors will pretty much advise you to stay away from cryptocurrencies such as this due to its validity or this volatility rather, and the chance of losing money is very, very high. And lastly, it was announced by the Associated Press earlier this month that Amazon is not accepting Dogecoin as payment, nor are they accepting any other crypto-based currencies as payment in general. There was a lot of YouTube videos being labeled that Amazon was accepting Dogecoin and some Reddit pages where it's talking about this as well. And generally, it was misleading people. So to clear up any confusions, I threw this link up there or this picture of the article by the Associated Press. So there's no confusion that Amazon is not accepting Dogecoin at this time. Let me know in the comment section if you think Dogecoin has a future, why and why not. I would love to see those comments. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. I hope you stay safe. I hope your investments stay green. And I'll see you on the next video. Later.